Whoever thought I'd end up marrying Gabby Concepcion? Samantalang, the first time I met him, I think it was in one of the shows of the former GMA Super Show, yung Germ Special. I was thinking to myself, napaka-antipati ko naman itong lalaking to. Hindi ko man lang inisip na kakaibiganin ko siya or something. So, ganon. And then I got to meet him again nung magsushooting na kami ng Dear Heart. Nagkaroon ng meeting yung buong cast. Pero sa Dear Heart, nung una silang namimili ng magiging leading man, sabi ko, piliin na nila kahit sino. Wag lang si Gabby. Now I'm gonna walk down the aisle towards that altar and then I'll meet him there. Parang mahirap paniwalaan. I wonder how he feels also right now. Imagine sa Dear Heart lang nagsimula to. And after 3 other movies, eto na. Pero kung sa bagay, mahal ko naman talaga siya. Mahal ko siya kasi he's very sweet, napaka-gentle niya, napakabait, napaka-thoughtful, at saka, syempre lahat tayo may moods, pero kahit may mood siya, ako rin may moods. Mabait naman, mabilis mag-recover. Tsaka, kahit selosa siya, nasa lugar naman, napakabait niya talaga. Tutuwa ako because he's always, concerned. Laging, hindi lang puro sarili niya iniisip niya. Ako rin, lagi. Parang, hindi lang yung kapakanan niyang iniisip niya, syempre yung sa akin din, sa magiging baby namin, sa magiging pamilya namin, sa ibang tao pa. Tsaka he's very responsible, napaka-hardworking niya. Siguro magagawa ko na maging isang mabuting misis, tsaka isang mabuting mami sa mga magiging anak namin. Yan siguro. And then after Dear Heart, Gabby and I went on to do our second movie, which was our first movie under Viva Films, and it was also Viva's first movie.
Walang iba. Marami na akong napuntahang kasal. Nung bata pa ako hanggang ngayon. Pero hindi ko akalaing mapupuntahan ko ang sarili kong kasal. Ibang-iba talaga ang feeling dahil alam mo ikaw ang haharap doon. Ikaw ang magsasabi ng final vows mo. The final I do's. Dapat maganda ang pagkasabi niyan dahil isang beses mo na sasabihin yan eh. Anyway, itong mga kaibigan ko ngayon, masyado silang maraming tinatanong sa akin. Ng isa sa mga tanong nila sa akin, kung ano talaga ang feeling ko ngayon. Sabi ko naman sa kanila, basta't mahal mo ang babae, at alam mong mahal ka rin niya, there's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to be afraid of. At ako naman at si Sharon, wala naman akong problema sa kanya dahil she's my only love.
Describing what I truly feel every time we embrace and my wonderful dreams become real. You may read all the books, no love story was ever like this. I could die for just one tender kiss from my only love. You may gather the stars, choose the brightest of them from the skies. None of them can compare to the glow that I see in his eyes. For the brightness of day, I can bet, is not caused by the sun. Where is daylight when love light is gone? With my only but me, for I'm his other half. God created him and me as one. We will share everything, be it sorrow or heartbreak or fun. And I live just for him, he for me, that you never can doubt. Life will simply mean nothing without my only
Whoever thought that My Only Love was gonna be our last movie together? Tapos nag-break up kaming dalawa ni Gabby. And then we reconciled na lang in Dapat Ka Bang Mahalin, which was like 2 years after. Hindi ganun-ganun lang. Pinag-isipan kong mabuti. Pero ang palagay ko, madali sa akin na magdesisyon dahil mahal ko talaga si Gabby na alam kong pakakasalan ko. Mahirap lang magdesisyon para sa akin ng mga panahong yon dahil iniisip ko rin ang mga magulang ko. I've always been close to my parents at parang iniisip ko ano kaya mararamdaman nila, ano kayang iisipin nila. Sana naman hindi ko sila masyadong masaktan. Pero alam ko na maiintindihan din nila ako.
Is this the little girl I can read? Is this the little boy at play? I don't remember growing older when this When did she get to be a beauty? When did he grow to be so tall? Wasn't it yesterday when they were sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset, swiftly flow the days. Ceilings turn overnight to sunflowers, blossoming even as we gaze. Sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset, swiftly fly the years. One season following another, laden with happiness and tears. One season following another, laden with happiness and tears.
Well, I guess this is it. I know he's waiting for me there. Ano kayang itsura niya ngayon? Hindi ko siya nakita kagabi eh. I'm very, very nervous. I'm sad. But of course, needless to say, I'm very, very happy also. Nandito na. I'll be getting there in a few minutes. Makikita ko na siya. My daddy's gonna give me to him. Ipapasa na ako sa panibagong boss. Well, I just hope everything turns out to be roses. Inalagay na ni Gabi sa daliri ko yung wedding ring namin. Bale, second wedding ring na lang, pinatong na lang dun sa una. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, nako, ito na. Natali na talaga ako at pinakita na sa buong madla. Pati siya rin, natali na rin. Nakatali na rin siya sa akin. Kaya, masaya akong nininervyos na nalulungkot. Pero hindi, masaya pa rin talaga ako, all in all. Nakakatuwang isipin kasi nung una, ang mga roles na binibigay sa amin ni Gabi, magmula Dear Heart hanggang P.S. I Love You hanggang My Only Love, yung mag-sweethearts kami. Nung ginawa namin yung Dapat Ka Bang Mahalin, mag-asawa na kami doon ang mga roles namin. Tapos nag-reconcile kami, at coincidentally, yung nangyayari sa real na R-E-E-L at yung nangyayari in real life, nagkatugma. Nagpakasal na rin kami ng civil. Siyempre, nung civil wedding, ninenervyos talaga ako. I was signing, pero I was really nervous. Pero mahal na mahal ko talaga si Gabi, kaya pinirmahan ko na rin, tinuloy ko na rin. At ganun din naman siya. Nung church wedding naman namin, sabi ko siguro hindi na ako ninervyusin dahil kasal na nga kami. Pero pagdating nun, ninervyos din ako dahil iba pala yung maglalakad ka papunta sa altar na nakasuot ka ng wedding gown mo. Yung magiging mister mo nandun sa harap, naghihintay sa'yo, tapos ibibigay ka ng papa mo sa kanya. Siyempre nakakalungkot, pero ang saya-saya rin at nakakanervyos nga talaga. It's really funny because before, it was all just make-believe. Yung talagang, lalo na yung wedding scene namin sa Dapat Ka Bang Mahalin, nung nagsasabi kami ng I do, dinig na dinig ko yun. Kasi nag-exchange lang kami ng mga linya. Pero nung totohanan na, halos hindi ko na marinig ang sarili ko nung sinasabi ko na yung mga pinapasabi nung pari sa amin.
Do you think your getting married will affect your career or your fans?
It shouldn't, and I hope it doesn't. But of course, I would have to leave that to the public. As long as they want me, I really work very, very hard because I feel I have so much to share. All these years I've had a lot to share, and I wouldn't want to stop sharing whatever I have to share. And I'm enjoying myself in this business very, very much. It's a big, big part of my life. And, well, of course, my family will always come first. But as long as I can handle both very well, edi kailangan.
advise your fans about early marriages like you're going to have?
Well, like I said, pwede ka naman mag-asawa ng matandang-matanda na ang utak mo hindi pa handa, ang feelings mo hindi pa handa, hindi ka pa nakakondisyon sa mga responsibilidad mo. But you can get married naman na bata ka, like I have gotten married, 18 pa lang ako, nag-asawa na ako, ganyan. Pero sure na sure ako and I have no regrets talaga. I've never been more peaceful. I love my husband more than anything else in the world and he loves me more than anything else in the world, and it's a beautiful relationship we have, and we're going to build a beautiful family. You know, we're going to raise very good children, and well, you know, bahala na sila as long as they're very, very sure. That's what's very, very important. Pero syempre, as usual, if let's say you're just in school, in high school, kasi kami ni Gabi, nagtatrabaho na kami ng matagal na. Ako, 12 pa lang ako, nagtatrabaho na ako. Tapos siya, ilang taon pa lang siya, nagtrabaho na rin siya, gumawa na siya ng mga pelikula. Siyempre, na-expose na kami sa iba-ibang klaseng tao. We practically grew up faster than same people our age, than people of the same age. So, mas malayo na rin ng, siyempre, na-experience namin. Mas marami na kaming narating, marami na kaming taong nakilala, marami kaming nagawang hindi nagawa ng ibang kaedad namin. So, nung sinabi ang papakasal na kami, ready na kami kasi gusto na namin manahimik. Pero yung mga batang, let's say, nasa high school pa lang, gusto na mag-asawa, I suggest mag-isip muna sila ng ilang daang-daang beses talaga dahil hindi talaga biro ang kasal. Ang kasal, lalo na in the Philippines, once you're married, and like me, I'll be Mrs. Gabby Concepcion forever and ever, and I don't mind. I'm very, very happy. Pero, syempre, you can never tell some people, naghihiwalay kami. Of course, we're hoping for the best. Hindi naman siguro mangyayari yun. Pero yung iba, baka mamaya nabibigla lang sila, wag naman sana.